Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nat Touch, and I know it's been a while since I've been gone, but I'm back now, and I'm gonna try to be more consistent, being with what was going on. I have a little more time on my hand to go ahead and get out some content to you guys. So here's my first back on YouTube video about my locks, how I styled them, how I washed them. I did go ahead and record everything. Well, not everything, but the important steps to everything that I did. And if you want to stay and learn or just watch, stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe under the video. Make sure after you subscribe, you click the bell so that you'll be notified the next time I post a new video. First, I'm gonna go ahead with setting up my spray bottle. I'm gonna use the Sisterlock shampoo, the starter shampoo, with this fine mist spray bottle I got from Sally's Beauty. This is gonna help me to distribute the shampoo evenly throughout my scalp so that I can have a cleaner scalp. Now I'm going to go ahead and part my hair. I left this section for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how I braid my hair. Even though I didn't notice the camera was not in the view that I wanted it to be in, you still catch a glimpse of what I'm doing. So I'm just going to braid those two parts. And once I'm done braiding them, I'm going to go ahead and band them at the end. I also show that in the next clip. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply gloves on my hands because I have on artificial nails and I don't want to snag my new locks. I don't want ugly locks. I'm trying to protect my locks, so I'm using the gloves. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my spray bottle that I set up earlier and spray that all over my scalp to distribute the shampoo, and I'm going to scrub using my gloves and my hands. Now it's time to rinse. I'm using my favorite shower head. I've purchased this since I moved out on my own, and it's been going anywhere I live with me. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse my hair thoroughly before I get out of the shower. I included a short clip of me doing my makeup. Let me know if you guys want a makeup tutorial.
A lot of girls always make this face when they're doing this. Always. Any girl. So weird. What your mouth gotta do with it?
Now I'm going to go ahead and take out the rubber bands and the braids that I installed for my wash. I know you guys peeped the flexi rods on the other side, and I'll explain that later in the video. The mission ain't accomplished without a compa break. I also included a clip of me laying my baby hairs or my edges, whatever you want to call them. It is what it is. I'm using the Style Edge Control and StyleFactor Edge Control and a small tooth comb, and I'm just gonna go ahead and comb the edge control through my baby hairs with a sweeping motion. Okay, so the story on these flexi rods, I wanted to do a flexi rod set on my lock hair because I thought that it was cute from the people that I've seen it on before. But no one ever told me that it takes forever to dry. Forever. So that was a complete fail, and I went on to other styles. That didn't work for me. So this is style 1. It's 2 ponytails in the front, the rest is let go down in the back. And frankly, I cannot wait for my length to come through. I'm gonna go ahead and work on style 2, which is like a wash and go, but for my Sisterlock, I spray my hair and I kind of just shake and go. Well, that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Yeah, I need another drink.
drink.